Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to find in a Google Sheet by iOS. So sometimes find features is used for looking for one data or several data with a specific keywords and whole informations on the spreadsheets or on the documents. So here the simple thing that you need to do to use the find option is just click in the upper right corner. There are three circles over there. Just click and then you will be generated into several features, and then if you can see there is a find and replace features. Click the find and replace features and then now enter the keywords that you want to find on the documents. So I want to find Surya, so I will click Surya, and now you will kind of like directly generated into several columns that have Surya's informations on it. Just click, there are three matches, so you can looking for which information or which data that suitable with what you want to have. So that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe into this channel.